Max, what was that? A woodpecker in our yard? Wait! Look how rainy it is today. It was extremely... Don't go. Don't go. Don't go. Anyway, it was extremely hot yesterday, but today it looks like this. And I love it. The heat has been really taking the energy out of me, and I've lived here my whole life, but it's been really hard recently for whatever reason. Right? Right? Oh, it's starting to rain. Oh. And it's all thundery out. Look, and all the birds are out. Hummingbirds and doves, and a woodpecker was in our yard a second ago, and it's just fun. I hope you guys are having a very good Sunday. I went and I played Head Trip with my friends last night, which was fun. And then I have had a low activity morning. I just came out to feed the birds, and ooh, do you hear that? Ooh, do you hear that? Ooh. And then I was gonna come out and pick figs, cause like, look at this one. Nice. That's pretty much it. I just hope you guys are having a great Sunday, and yeah, I guess that's it. Bye.